Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to turn this Rubik's Cube so much that it's going to explode. So let's start. It might take a few. It won't really... Okay, it didn't work as well. Come on.
You're dead meat.
Someone just called me dead meat. So as you see here, I got 3 of them. Well, let's try to get all of them. Yeah, it's easy.
Why are you gonna pay for that? Rubik's Cube.
So, yeah, I am breaking the cube. And I officially broke the Rubik's Cube. Oh, there's one more piece. That's not a piece. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. And this person right there is gonna kill me. So, yeah, bye.